Have you ever had to wait for hot water to arrive at your sink? Ever run out of hot water? With traditional tank-type heating, you probably have. But you don't have to. Not with Eemax electric tankless water heaters. They provide an endless supply of on-demand hot water because they're typically installed close to the point of use. That also prevents wasting water and standby heat loss, making Eemax electric tankless water heaters 99% efficient, with energy savings of up to 40%. This reduces your carbon footprint and helps the environment. That's true whether you're an engineer, building architect, contractor, or homeowner. We offer effective solutions specifically designed for your application, be it commercial, residential, including high output units, or industrial, including tepid water solutions for safety applications. For these and more, we'll help you find which one of our 500+ innovative hot water heating solutions best meet your needs. Customer service comes from Eemax engineering, technical, and customer service staffs. These multiple layers of support make it fast and easy for you to select the perfect solution every time. We also make it fast and easy for you to learn the Eemax difference. Stay with us and find out how best we can help you.